Hakeem Robinson is a young rapper out of Duval, Florida. He's known for several viral hits and for being part of the rap collective ATK, which stands for Access to Knowledge. Ksoo is being accused by the state of Florida of deleting two people, a rival rapper called Buck and a 17-year-old known as Bibby. My name is Bobby Smokes. Please subscribe and comment. Atlanta rapper Youngthug is currently enduring a RICO trial in which the state is accusing him of several things and using his rap lyrics as evidence. As you know, the state of Florida also intends to use Ksoo's lyrics against him in court. Today we're going to look at Thug's skilled lawyer as he defends those lyrics and think about how that might apply to Ksoo's case. I know they are in different states and there are different rules to these cases, but this will just give us a general idea of what Ksoo's defense might look like. If you want to look at Ksoo's specific lyrics, I pinned a video at the end of this one. One thing that might hurt Ksoo overall is how much more specific his lyrics are than Young Thug's, but Thug's lawyer makes several good points I think we can discuss.
These are not confessions. These are not admissions. This is art. These are lyrics that rhyme. Those are taken out of context in that song, but they're lyrics. You'll have no evidence when that lyric was even created. The prosecution doesn't care. 100 rounds in a Tahoe, like bullets hit a Tahoe? Or is there someone driving a Tahoe with 100 rounds in it? It's up to the listener, I guess.
I think the best arguments that Mr. Steele makes are that these lyrics are just simply art. Some of them just rhyme. Many of them didn't actually take place. There's no evidence that they took place. Some of them are just simply phrases that are in the dichotomy that many rappers use. Many of the lyrics are very basic and are not specific. Mr. Steele makes a very good point when he speaks about the Young Thug line about how you interpret it. 100 rounds in the Tahoe. Does that mean 100 rounds shot into a Tahoe? Or does that mean I'm sitting in a Tahoe and I have 100 rounds with me?
But the police officers in the city of Atlanta, district attorney's office, Fulton County, everything. It's like 24 M's on an N's head. Everything is viewed wrong. You will hear that other artists use the same type of lyrics. Before Jeffrey, after Jeffrey, these are typical. These are just lyrics. These are art. Criminalized books, movies, maybe other forms of music. How come other forms of music don't get criminalized? It's now become criminalized. Words in America are criminalized in Georgia.
He also makes a good point about not criminalizing books and movies and other types of music. I think he makes some really good points in this opening argument. I think Mr. Steele makes some really good points about this not being the kind of evidence that you want to convict a man on and see him go off to prison over some lyrics that he said. You're going to need a lot more than that. I understand the cases are quite a bit different, but it remains the same concept of using rap lyrics against someone in court. I think you can make basically the same arguments for Ksoo, that the lyrics are vague, they're non-specific, many things that are talked about didn't actually happen. You don't know who actually wrote the lyrics. You don't know when they were recorded. And this is America. You do have freedom of speech.